Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Hotmail password tested method step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Hotmail login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Click on the next button to proceed to the password entry screen. When prompted for your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a page that asks how you want to receive your security code. Choose your preferred method of receiving the code, such as email or SMS. If you select email, ensure you have access to your recovery email. If you opt for SMS, make sure your phone number is correctly listed. Click the Send Code button to receive your security code. Check your email or SMS for the code and enter it in the provided field. Click Next to verify the code you received. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Re-enter the new password in the confirmation field. Click Next to complete the password reset process. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been changed successfully. Return to the Hotmail login page and enter your email address again. Now, input your new password and click Sign In to access your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.